Good morning, students. Today our topic will be notice writing, second part. Already last video lecture, or we have discussed about notice writing format, and also we have discussed topics. But today we are going to discuss about exercise. Okay, how we will write notice. So I will read some examples, and according to that way, I will be trying to make you understand. So let's go ahead. Already we have discussed about notice writing, format, and topic. Okay, today we are going to discuss about examples. We have discussed what is notice, okay, for what purpose we are writing notice. Okay, so format for notice writing already we have discussed, and you may see there this box already I explained by showing this box and this also. Okay, so notice writing topic also I told you about competition and excursion trip are lost and found then after inauguration to take place an exhibition blood donation camp to be held etc. So all things we have discussed. Okay, so now some more example I want to give you. You may see that format of numbers. This day you will, if notice will come, so you will get 4 mark like this for format, content, expression. Okay, so like this way. Writing tips. Already we have discussed, but a little bit I will tell you what is writing. So do not cross the word limit to avoid the plenty of marks. The prescribed word limit 50 words. So that means you should not go beyond of 50 words. Okay, you should not go beyond of 50 words. Then after repetition, any information should be avoided. Okay, you should not write a repetition word. Always enclose the notice in a box that already I discussed, and you have to put that in a box. Okay, highlight notice and title that also we have discussed. Okay, so make your notice mention personal information. So you should not make any personal information there. Okay, so okay, now some examples we will see. Notice writing examples. Here we will see question for notice writing that are asking in an exam. Okay, when there is exam in exam time, how the question will be put there, and how we will recognize for what purpose we are going to write a notice. So that is our main thing. So student can help from this example notice writing format. Okay, number one, question number one, you may see that water supply will be suspended for 8 hours. Okay, this is an announcement. Okay, from the government office. Hmm? 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. On 6 March for clearing the water tank. Write a notice about 50 words advising the resident to store water for a day. You are Karan Kumar or Kurna Bajaj, Secretary, Janta Group Housing Society. Hmm? Okay. You can do that now. You are Karan Kumar. So, Housing Society, uh, Palm, Bihar. Okay, Palam, Bihar, Karnal. So, here it is something that question have come in 2016. Okay, you may see that how a person write notice. So first of all, Janta Group Housing Society, Palam Bihar, Cornwall. So here is notice March 1, 2000, etc. जो भी है. So attention, this notice is to inform all the residents regarding the suspension of water supply for 8 hours. It is being donated to clean the water tank. The details are as follows. Okay, you may see that dated March 6 already. I told you how to put the dates. Okay, those who request you store record amount of water beforehand to minimize the difficulty. Thank you. Then here is name and designation. So this is some value point is here. Okay, relevant title. So what a suspense of water supply for 8 hours. So when 6 March 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. and where the eh, society and region for cut or cleaning of water tank, step to be taken, stored water, then any other relevant point. So when you write the question, okay, when you write the question or according to that question, you can, you know, write. So you will get from the question box what will be your notice writing. So now you see here there is another question about uh, lost and found. While walking in a park, your neighborhood are found a small plastic bag containing some documents and some cash. Write a notice in about 50 words to be put on the park notice board asking the owner to identify and collect it from you. You are Amar or Amrita. So here is the phone number also. Okay. So this question have come in 2017. Okay. You when you read the question, I hope you cleared. Okay. There is no any doubt. So what purpose you are going to write the notice? You see that notice March 2001 and it is about pound. It is about pound. And I will hold a little bit so as you can read. This is to form all the readers that the plastic bag has been found in the neighboring park. It has a few documents, some cash it. The plastic bag is red in color. You have to specify about the bag also. Hmm? Medium size. It was found on February 27 at around 6 p.m. near the fountain in a park. The owner of this bag shall contact me on the number along with an identity proof. Thank you, Amar or Amrita. So this is, and you can see the suggested value point. Okay, what or that heading lost and found, uh, and also mm, when you may see here plastic bag. What plastic bag when date and approximate time where that is in park and finally details about phone number. If it is possible, you can see the address also. Okay, this is today we have discussed about two examples, and if it is possible, next lecture we will discuss a rest of examples. So thank you. May God bless you. Have a good day.